Hello guys, hello my good people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Our good name is Gary Tech Designer. Thank you for the support that we're still bringing back to this YouTube channel. If you are new here, guys, kindly make sure you subscribe to this particular YouTube channel. So I'm still giving you the update of this particular 2-bedroom house that we have been building since I can say it almost like last month. You can see the you can see like it's quite giving as in terms of let's say the look. How is it? So we were doing, let's say we are now doing the mold work. You can see the work that we have been done for the last, I can say let's say like 2 days. So you can see we started with that those corners, of which you have done 4. So there's 5, 1, 2, there's another one that is end there, and then there are 2 on the other end. So and then yesterday we had to do these columns, these arches that you see, the design that you see here, the one you see only at the top, so we have done it. We did it yesterday, and then today you can see we are doing these columns. You can see we have done it. So there are 2. So the first one is here and the second one is just here. So you can see this was our today's works, and then tomorrow, God willing, we are going to finish, let's say like there's some particular design that we are going to do at the top and this at the bottom here, and then even on the other end we are going to do some design there and even at the bottom there. So we have been doing this particular work. I think it's almost like it's almost a month since we started doing this excavation of this particular 2-bedroom house. I've been seeing that let's say in terms of TikTok, I've been receiving a lot of calls when it comes to this particular 2-bedroom house. So thank you for those one who have reached out. We have communicated. For whoever, let's say there's some fruitful outcome that has come, I appreciate your effort so much when it comes. So I'm still expecting some more calls, let's say in terms of giving us a work, be it designing, be it interior designing, be it tile work, be it building the structure. I will appreciate you. I will appreciate the outcome so much. So this is a 2-bedroom house. A kitchen inside. It has got a sitting. It has got 2 toilets. It has got a balcony and a corridor. So you can see those are the other corners that I've told you. You can see whenever, let's say this is our main gate. Let's say when one comes from our main gate here, you can see let's say the outcome. We are going to do away with this particular tree because it's the one that hiding, let's say, the look of this particular house. We are going to hire to uproot it, so that to give us the space, because even minus uprooting, we must do here there's what we call a septic tank. We're going to do here a septic tank. That's why we are going to uproot it. We are going to uproot it in, let's say next year, because we are currently that we are on date 27 of December 2025. So next year, God willing, we are going to start there. We are going to start there a septic tank with its soak pit. So, and then even just as you come direct from this, you'll have to see those beautiful arch and the molding that you see there. So that you have, let's say, the impression of this particular house. This house that I've been talking about, I can say this is one of the fruitful things that we have. We just got it from internet. More so, it comes from TikTok. This guy who saw our video on TikTok, and then he just contacted us, and then after we have a negotiation with him, you can see the outcome is very, very fruitful. And then, God willing, because he's someone who has a future, so we are going to do this the unit 1. So he has told us that God willing, whenever he will having some he will having, let's say, money, he is going to extend some. He is going to build some 2 other units here. So he'll build this is the first one, the second one will be there, and the third one will be here. so that he wants to make it, let's say, like he wants to make it like a rental, so that let's say it can be, let's say, like a investment, a long-term investment, because whenever you just build a quality house like this is like a lifetime. This is like a lifetime, or it can take up to almost even 60 years, depending how you'll maintain this particular house, And then I've been, let's say, you can be saying that why did he go with this particular design for this window? So as per now, there's let's say, I can say he has some let's say a bit of financial struggles, so that's why you have done this particular, but this one is for a very short time. God willing, the way he has planned, he's going to demolish this one, and then he's going to put here the grills and the let's say the sliding windows, of which there are glasses, so that to have the real view of this particular house. So let me take you inside, and then I think you can see. So you can see this is the balcony. You can see we have done the pavement, we have already plastered it. You can see this is the corridor, and then on the other side, this is our corridor. On the other end, this is our sitting room. You can see it's quite spacious. And then on the next, this is our kitchen. You can see there's a backyard door. And then as you goes on, this is a bedroom 1. As you goes on, this is a public toilet. As you goes on, this is our master bedroom. And then it has got its own toilet, because it is a master ensuite. So we are going step by step. So the next step that you are going to do is you are going to start doing the next thing that you are going to do is we are going to start doing, let's say, the ceiling work, of which and then there's this notion that gypsum work is too expensive. That notion is too old. I can say for now I can't. It's too old, because as compared to the ceiling, if you do ceiling and if you do ceiling, there's someone who's calling me. If you do ceiling as you compare to the gypsum, that thing, it has a bit difference, because one ceiling board is 1050 here in Garissa, and then one gypsum board, it ranges from 800 to 850. So you can see there's a difference there. And then when it comes to doing, let's say those studs and channels, you can see maybe most of people always say that one makes expensive. It was an old narrative that everyone used to think, because when it comes to those let's say those metallic the metal that holds those gypsum, that was the thing that was making it to be expensive. Because if one bundle right now, you can pick it from 1,350, because one piece it is 135, and then the other time it was almost 270 or 250. So you can see there's a very wide difference there of 130 per one piece. So you can see there's a very big difference. So he was talking about to do, let's say, like a gypsum ceiling, but I told him no, let's do gypsum, and then after you have gotten let's say your enough money to do, let's say, now the design, we can just remove the cornice, the one that you see always at the bottom of those ceiling or gypsum. We'll have to just remove it, and then after you remove it, you can do now the gypsum design, those designs that you always see on ceiling. Now after that you can see. But if you do gypsum, if you do ceiling, you'll have to inquire many costs, because you're going to demolish it, so that to have, let's say, to be as same as to be, let's say, of same as the ceiling, and then the finishing is of high quality. As you compare to gypsum, gypsum always give a very high end finishing as compared to gypsum, as compared to ceiling, because ceiling, whenever you, let's say those joints, if you do, let's say you do the skimming, you'll have to see some cracks they start develop after a short while. But if you do gypsum very well, after you will no longer have those cracks, and then the finishing, it will be so nice as compared to the other. So if you have let's say work there, if you are maybe in diaspora, you have no one to build a house back at home, we are here to give you the solution. Here at Gartech Designers, we always design anything. We can build, we can design anything that is relatable towards building and construction. So you can call us through our number. It's 0746289667, 0746289667. I will appreciate you so much when I'll be getting more engagement as let's say the same way I'm getting so much engagement on TikTok as per this particular 2-bedroom house. So let's meet tomorrow after they have done this the one you see here, this molding, and then God willing on Monday we are going to start ceiling work. So let's meet on the next day. So bye bye.